everybody, this is Weston and Daddy's cooking review.
Hey, what's up?
Yep. So,
What do we got today?
surf
And turf.
and turf.
Turf.
Surf,
And turf.
surf and turf. It's a funny name.
Yep. What we got is a steak wrapped with bacon and some shrimp. And some green beans.
Yep.
Because Terry said we don't have enough vegetables in our video. Gotta get them greens.
Yep. And then lick this steak.
Oh, Weston's not quite of a shrimp guy right yet.
Yeah.
What do you think of the steak? I'll try a. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. So, what do you think? Did you do good?
Yep.
Awesome.
1,000,000% yummy good for the steak. But shrimp, 0%.
I like the shrimp.
It was 100% yummy good.
Yep, I did.
Ham.
I liked it.
But 0%.
We drizzled it in butter, and on top of the said steak is
Shrimp.
grated
Cheese.
Parmesan cheese.
I said cheese.
Cheese, Parmesan.
Cheese.
See, I don't know if we can get it up there. There's a little bit. Mm-hmm.
Thanks for watching. Bye.